Right, it's time for a quick unboxing. Without further ado, let's switch over to the top down. So I've got two devices in front of me. This is the old device in this little sleeve. It is the Logitech Spotlight. Pretty much industry standard at this point for presenter clickers. It's got some really kind of cool features, including this button here, which allows you to do things like highlight and put a halo around stuff on the screen itself, a forward and back button. It's got the dongle. Actually, it stores it in the little case here. You know, you can use this little USB-C cable to actually plug in there and actually charge the device, etc., etc. It's been in my bag since I joined Logitech about 4.5 years ago. This is the new device, which was announced only a few days ago. It only just got delivered by the courier a moment ago. You can see it's in a nice little brown box. I'm just gonna kind of show you the box. You know, on the side, it's got all of the details about the wireless range and some quick charging details and stuff. On the back, it's got some details about Bluetooth and some features there. And over here, it's got some in the box type stuff and whatever. Right, so let's open it up. Got a trusty little Swiss Army knife here to open the plastic. Inside are a set of instructions, as you can see. It's got the remote. It says to pull out a little tab there. It is Logi Bolt or Bluetooth. So Logi Bolt is the receiver that comes with it. Tells you to turn it on, to start pairing, etc. And you can configure it in the Logi app. All right, so open it up. There's the device itself. Again, let's just move the box out of the way. Again, get this one out of the sleeve for comparison purposes. Similar sort of size. I think this one is a little bit shorter, a little more compact. Instead of a magic button there, and the forward and back button being kind of a large and a small, the forward and back button are there side by side. And then this here, this little circular area, which I'll kind of get the camera in on, is actually a haptic kind of touchpad, really. On the back, you can see it's got some details about Logi Options Plus. I have that installed, and it's got a pull tab, I guess, to activate it, because it's been in storage. And if I pull that out, it's actually a USB-C receiver instead of USB-A, and it's got the little Bolt logo there, so which means it's kind of military grade wireless Bluetooth signaling, fully secure and all that sort of thing. The loop is perhaps a little more forgiving. You can actually use it for a keychain. It is there's a lot more tensile strength to actually pull it out. I'm going to pull this, and then you can see it whirs into life. Actually, it's you can feel the haptic engine actually generating haptics as we go. But yeah, it is actually tapping underneath. I think it's actually looking for the Bluetooth now. I don't have anything to plug it into just right now, but I will do that in another video. So very, very quick unboxing of the Logi Spotlight 2 device. Out with the old, in with the new. If this has been useful, give me a like and share with your friends. Drop me a comment and subscribe for more just like this. Thanks for watching. See you.